How to fix Messenger could not send the message problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of the Messenger application. So just tap on the search bar and search for Messenger, and it will show us over here. So here you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So we're going to go back to the home screen and launch the settings application on our device. As you do that, scroll down and tap on the apps section. Tap on manage apps and then tap on the search apps and then search for Messenger over here. So tap on the Messenger application. And then here at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of clear data. So tap on clear data and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. As you do that, now you can just relaunch the Messenger application and that might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.